Vlogging has become a popular way for individuals to share their experiences, knowledge, and creativity with a global audience. Many successful bloggers have built large and dedicated followings, and some have even turned their vlogging activities into full-time careers. Vlogging is an excellent platform for self-expression, creativity, and building a community of like-minded individuals who share similar interests and passions. Vlogs can cover a wide range of topics including travel, food, lifestyle, beauty, education, entertainment, and many others. Vloggers use a combination of narration, on-screen action, and footage from their daily lives to share their experiences, thoughts, and opinions with their viewers. Some vloggers also include interviews, collaborations, and guest appearances in their videos to keep their content fresh and engaging. In this video, I am going to describe some steps and important tips of short vlog making. First of all, you have to brainstorm subjects you are passionate about. Try to imagine and write down your imagination. Select a compelling topic, make a plan and select your objectives. Then research on your topic and write your script. Try to write your script from the bottom of your heart. Focus on examples to grab viewers' attention. Explain your connection to the topic. Use clear layout and try to tell a story. Capture video of your presentation and record. Start shooting following your script. Try to capture your video in one take. Try to end your video asking an open-ended question so that the viewers bound to think again. Try to keep runtime of your video short. You can use your headphone or other voice recording devices. Shoot again and again till the best output comes. Finally, let's edit and publish. Hope this discussion will help you for your video blogging. Thank you.